Welcome aboard this Trapper 300. This is Boatshed Cornwall, and I am just about to show you the interior of this lovely yacht. And, I'm just going to make my way forward. Obviously it's not a huge amount of some water toys. The forward cabin with a head, knocker behind. Stepping back, I'll just lift this, show you the galley, nav station and the aft quarter berth. Engine compartment. So I'm pretty much back where I started now, so this will conclude this interior tour of this Trapper 300. If you like what you see and you'd like to know more, then please do contact us at Boatshed Cornwall.